Friends, let's chat finance and trading so you can level up your financial health. Between two houseplants. Between a fern and a ficus, or a ficus-like plant. I think it starts with a D and has a second prefix suffix that starts with an H. It's like a Dracula Guinness habenula. Which, according to Google Lens, is Dieffenbachia seguin. So, whatever that is, it slightly looks like a ficus. So, today I wanted to tell you about 3 ways to hedge against the current market conditions. They say cash is king, but who knows where cash will be in a few years. Though it's probably all right, like everyone's always reassuring you, it's fine. First, real estate. I'm notating that it's residential real estate, as the future of commercial real estate is more uncertain. And just FYI, multifamily in the world of real estate can be either residential or commercial, depending on how many units there are. So if it's a duplex, a triplex, or a fourplex, then it's considered residential. If it's 5 or more units, that's considered commercial. An example would be a large apartment complex. With a significant proportion of the workforce working from home and organizations like WeWork being displaced, I was in the mood to use some cheesy props to help us remember 3 alternative asset classes. So here we go. Actually buy fractional shares these days with one of these websites, and they have varying reviews, but that's one way you can do it without really having to do all the paperwork or skin in the game. Here are 2 popular real estate crowdfunding platforms, CrowdStreet and Fundrise. There's also Roofstock, as well as a few others. I also want to quickly mention real estate syndication, which we can discuss in a whole nother video. Not just buying a REIT, an openly traded, essentially conglomerate stock, similar to an ETF, is called a REIT, a real estate investment trust, and it's not necessarily volatile as the other stocks in the market right now, but it's just still is an asset like that. You're not an owner of a particular property. They'll do kind of flips on that house and you can get some of the profit, or just they'll find a good deal and whatnot for you. So these are my houses for you. We got a red house and green house, and gold. Gold is another good way to hedge. So you got this pot of money gold, and that can be physical gold, or there's many ways you can either bet on the future of gold with gold futures. You can do a gold ETF like Nugget, NUGT, ticker symbol that, or there's a lot of other ones. Dust, J Dust, other dusts. GDX is another one on the openly traded markets. So what we're mostly talking about right now is just the physical gold. Then you have crypto. By going on one of these exchanges online and grabbing usually like Bitcoin, Ether are the larger coin, and if you wanted to go on a smaller exchange, you can exchange. Well, I feel like I've said exchange like 10 times. You can trade crypto as long as it's tethered to one of the larger coins and basically profit. You don't have to, but you can put it on one of these. I got this a while ago. I don't have that much on it at all. I just was like, maybe I should learn how to use this for funsies. It's a ledger. You can just buy this. I believe it's manufactured in France, so they'll just ship it to you, and yeah, so you can keep it safe and secure and not in an online environment, which can be hacked. But remember that with crypto, all these passwords are unretrievable. You can't be like, reset password. It's going to be like, you just lost all your assets. So just keep that in mind. Keep everything really safe for the password side of things. And 3 ways to hedge during these times. And I'll see you next time with plants. Bye. Thanks for watching, and please consider liking, subscribing, or commenting. See you guys next time.